Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shalu Joshi Bhardwaj. In IELTS Reading series, we'll be discussing the second reading strategy today. But before moving ahead, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Let's start. Reading strategies which we are discussing in this series is skimming, scanning and intensive reading. We have already discussed skimming. The link you can find in the description box. And today we'll be discussing scanning. What is scanning? Just like skimming, scanning is having a quick look at the text. Okay, means rolling your eyes over the text very quickly, just like as we do in the skimming. But the purpose here is different. The purpose of scanning is to get the specific information or to locate or pinpoint the specific answers. You know the question and you have to find the answer. The process of quickly looking and finding where to look at which paragraph should you look at to get the answer is scanning. Okay? For example, whenever you go to a restaurant, you see the menu. You do not stop and read each and every dish. You just scan it. And that is scanning. Alright? Now I'll be telling you how to do this. First of all, you need to read the question. You should know what are you finding? Okay? First you go and read the question and then you choose the keyword in the question. Each and every question is asking something very particular which you need to find from the paragraph text and write it down in your answer sheet. You need to locate that particular keyword. Okay? Then you skim the text and finally you scan the text. How to scan? To scan, after skimming, what you do is you locate the specific heading. Okay, what you do is you look for the headings. For example, if the question is asking you why, means you have to mention some particular cause, then you will have to look for the specific heading which is mentioning the reasons or the causes for the particular thing. Okay, and if any heading is not there, then read the topic sentence. What is topic sentence? Topic sentence is the first sentence of the paragraph. And this sentence, most of the times, this sentence tells you what author is going to talk about in the next paragraphs. All right? And then you have to look for the keyword in the paragraph. For example, if you are asked uh, any place to mention means any place in the question, then you will have to look for the names of the locations or the places. And that will be the keyword. Okay? And finally, you get the answer. This is how you reach the place where your correct answer is located. Okay? This is scanning. The faster you do it, more time you will have in the exam. So practice it a lot. Okay? And then finally, you do the intensive reading. Now you know where to read, where to look for the answer. And you start reading each and every word of that particular sentence. And that is intensive reading. The purpose of this stage or this intensive reading is to answer correctly, to understand the content and answer it correctly. But still, if you are finding any difficulty, you may find most of the students do find that maybe because the concept is new. Whatever is written in the text, you have never ever heard about it. Okay? Or you find some unfamiliar words. Unfamiliar words means there is difficult vocabulary. There are few words which you do not understand. You do not know how to find that out. Okay? Or long complex sentence structure. Or you may find that concept is not new. You know about the particular thing which is being talked about. You know the meaning of the words, but still you are not getting it. And it's very common in academic exams, the sentences they are too big. In my next video, I'll be telling you the strategies to deal with all this. So that's all for now. Till then, stay motivated, keep practicing. Good luck, guys.